Ziggy and the Enchanted Canvas. Your contribution matters. Ziggy was a boy who loved to play, but he didn't always like doing chores. Whenever asked to help, he would cross his arms and say, "Why do I have to do everything?" His room was messy, his toys scattered, and even the smallest tasks felt like too much. Ziggy didn't always see how important his part was in helping others or in keeping things in order. When things piled up, he would complain and avoid doing anything. One day, Ziggy's parents asked him to take care of the Enchanted Canvas of Life, a magical painting that told the story of everyone's life. The Enchanted Canvas was very special. It changed with every moment, showing the joys and challenges of life. But lately, it had started to lose its magic. The colors faded, and the energy dimmed. When Ziggy saw the picture, his first thought was, "Why do I have to do everything? This is too much for me." His mind filled with frustration. Why can't someone else do it? The Enchanted Canvas shimmered softly and spoke. "Ziggy, I understand how you feel. It's a big task. You don't need to do everything all at once. What you focus on is what will help me come back to life. If you keep focusing on how much work there is, you will miss the chance to make a difference." As Ziggy stood there, still caught up in his thoughts and complaints, the Enchanted Canvas began to fade more. Ziggy realized that by avoiding the task and focusing on how overwhelming it seemed, he wasn't helping at all. The Enchanted Canvas spoke again. "Ziggy, I need your help. Some parts of me have lost their color. Please paint these areas to bring me back to life." Ziggy sighed, still feeling sorry for himself. "Why me? I can't paint the whole picture." But as he looked at the faded sections, he realized something. Taking the paintbrush, he began with one small section. As he painted, the colors brightened and the canvas began to glow. The Enchanted Canvas spoke softly. "Ziggy, you are not alone. Every person contributes. When everyone does their part, I come to life again." Ziggy smiled, understanding that while his part was important, he didn't have to do everything. Focusing on his small task, he made a big difference. The Enchanted Canvas glowed. "Ziggy, I also need to be dusted off. If you don't help, I'll become gloomy and lose my shine." Ziggy crossed his arms. "I don't want to clean. Why does it always have to be me?" But as the dust settled, the canvas dimmed. Reluctantly, he grabbed a cloth and started cleaning. As he wiped, the colors returned and the canvas glowed again. "Ziggy, when everyone helps, no one has to do too much. It's not just about you. It's about all of us doing our part." The Enchanted Canvas spoke one final time. "Ziggy, I need new pieces to keep telling the story. Without them, I'll stop growing." Ziggy felt overwhelmed. "I can't do it all at once." The Enchanted Canvas shimmered. "You don't have to do everything. Focus on your part and trust others to do theirs." Ziggy took a deep breath and began. He painted one small section with vibrant color, and as the canvas brightened, he saw how his effort mattered. Slowly, the canvas filled with life. Ziggy realized that his small actions were crucial, and he didn't need to do it all at once. Working on his part allowed the picture to grow. Now that Ziggy understood how important his part was, the Enchanted Canvas spoke again, this time offering him some guidance. 1. Break tasks into smaller steps. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by the whole task, focus on small parts. It's easier to take one step at a time. Ziggy imagined looking at his messy room. Instead of feeling defeated by the clutter, he pictured picking up just one toy at a time and putting it away. Slowly, piece by piece, his room would become tidy, and he wouldn't feel so overwhelmed. 2. Work together. You don't have to do everything alone. Ask for help when needed, and trust others will contribute. Ziggy thought about how he could ask his sibling to help clean the kitchen. He didn't have to do everything by himself, and by working together, they could finish the task faster and have fun. 3. Focus on your part. Your role is important. Focus on doing your part well and trust that others will do theirs. Ziggy pictured himself cleaning his room. He knew that by focusing on tidying one corner at a time, he was doing his part. While it was tempting to worry about everything else, he remembered that if he did his part, the rest would come together. 4. Celebrate progress. Every small step counts. Don't wait until everything is perfect. Celebrate the progress along the way. Ziggy imagined finishing the task of cleaning his room. Instead of waiting for it to be completely perfect, he would celebrate each small success, like when he put away the toys or cleaned off his desk. Every little achievement counted and kept him motivated. Thank you, Ziggy. I really appreciate your help. You're making a difference and it doesn't go unnoticed. The Enchanted Canvas said as shimmering one last time. Ziggy felt proud. He realized that life is about taking ownership, focusing on what he can do, and working with others to make the world shine brighter, just like the Enchanted Canvas. And from that day on, Ziggy knew that even the biggest tasks could be made lighter with a little focus, teamwork, and a positive attitude. The end.